if you've lost access to your Clear Mountain bank account and cannot use your phone number for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Clear Mountain Bank website. Go to the official Clear Mountain Bank website. Look for the login section or the account recovery option to begin the process. Step 2. Select account recovery. Find and click on the forgot password or account recovery link. This will direct you to the recovery options available for your account. Step 3. Choose alternative recovery methods. Since you cannot use your phone number, select an alternative method for account recovery. This may include answering security questions or using an email address associated with your account. Step 4. Verify your identity. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use AirStork to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and make sure to save it securely. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your Clear Mountain bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.